थोड़ा
Yes, student. Now today I am starting surface chemistry. Okay, as the name suggested here, surface, that is any type of interaction if takes place only at the surface. Okay, like here, suppose this is a surface. I mean this is a substance, and the substance is having like that. Okay, so only the portion, that is the upper portion of that substance, that portion, okay, and this of only 10 to power minus 6 meter, only this portion of the surface substance is called what? Surface. So any type of interaction takes place only on the surface having 10 to power minus 6 meter length. This is known as the adsorption. Here the most important thing is what? Adsorption. Okay. So the surface chemistry, it is the study of the phenomenon takes place on the surface of solid or interface. Interface, that is at the boundary separating two bulk phases. Okay, that is what, if the two solutions are reacting or the two substances are reacting, then the overall part of substance is not reacting at a particular instant, but only those portions reacting which interact with each other. That is called what? Interface. Student, in the adsorption, like the formation of solution, it is also one of the interaction. So in this interaction, the substance which provide its surface to interact with another substance, this surface or substance is called adsorbent. That is, the substance which provides its surface is known as what? Adsorbent. So these become adsorbent. And the another substance, like the gases present in the atmosphere or surrounding of that substance, these substances are called what? Adsorbate. So actually the adsorption have two components. One of the components is adsorbent, and the another substance which is getting interact or attract by the adsorbent is called adsorbate. Actually, what is the mechanism, okay, or what happens, or why do the surrounding substances are attracted by any of the substances kept in that place? So student, actually what, suppose there is a substance, say suppose it is a liquid substance. Okay, so there are large number of molecules of liquid present in different places, like some of the molecules are present in bulk. Bulk, that is the inner part, that is what? Bulk. While some of the molecule present only at the surface. So the behavior of these two molecules are differ. How they are differ? The molecules which are present in the bulk are attracted equally from all the sides. Okay, therefore its attraction force is lesser for another substance, but the molecule which is present on the surface, it is only attracted by the inner molecule, because above it there is no molecule, there is an atmosphere, isn't it? So the molecule present on the surface are attracted only by the inner molecule. That is what, there is inward attraction force takes place on the surface molecule. Thus these molecules experience very strong inward or pulling from the inner molecule, and due to which some of the valencies of these surface molecules becomes vacant, and due to these free valency or strong attraction force, they attract the molecule present in the surrounding, which are called what? Adsorbate. So this is actually the mechanism of absorption. Getting? Student, one very important thing is there. The adsorption is an exothermic process. Now here we are dealing the science, that is the chemistry of the process, besides of simple, in the dealing with simple way. What? It is exothermic in nature. Now why exothermic in nature? It is because, as we know, whenever the two substances interact with each other, or the two substances attract with each other, and you know that the attraction always leads by decrease in the energy. That is what? The surface energy is getting decreases, and due to surface decrease in surface energy, this is called exothermic process, because in thermodynamic, whenever the energy is releases from the system, it is given by the negative sign or considered as exothermic process. Again, adsorbent, when interact with adsorbate, the adsorption takes place, that is what? The two substance becomes one. Okay, this is due to the releasing of energy from these two components, and thus the plus energy, that is the energy is releases after the process, therefore it is known as what? Exothermic process. Yes.